children should be separated from their mother, but this is also a choice that was apparently exercised by the applicant when she left the country with accused number 5. When she left, she knew that she most probably will not return. Whenever she left under circumstances that she was kidnapped, whether that happened, that will come out during the trial. At this stage, all the evidence available points in the direction that she left voluntarily. She claimed in her affidavit that she was unaware of the presence of her passport and the other passport in the cubbyhole of the vehicle, but a witness filed a statement to the effect that the applicant deceived her in handing the passport to the applicant. The fact that they did not leave with one of the applicant's vehicles but in a rented vehicle, which they used to leave in the country, is also an indication that they intended to leave the country so that they would not be traced, to wipe out any trace of them. In conclusion, I find that the applicant is a definite flight risk and that no bail condition will assist under the circumstances to limit this risk. After weighing up the personal circumstances and the interest of the applicant and her constitutional right to freedom against the interest of justice, I find that she did not satisfy the court that it's in the interest of justice for her to be released on bail. It is, however, in the interest of justice that matters be tried and that a verdict be obtained in a court of law, and this can only happen if a person stands trial. Therefore, her application to be released on bail is refused.
So Dr. Nandipha appeared at the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court today for the verdict of a bail application, you guys, and wow. Today at the beginning of the proceeding, the doctor was once again captured praying in the dock so that the court rules in her favor and grant her bail, you guys. However, guys, unfortunately, things did not go according to how she had hoped, as Magistrate Estelle Delan denied her bail, stating that Nandipha is a flight risk and that she might escape the country if she gets released. She also said that if she gets released, she will have more means to help her lover, Thabo Bester, you guys. And not only that, Delang also said that there is no evidence that proves that she was kidnapped by Bester, like she said on her affidavit in her bail application, you guys. So the good doctor remains in prison, you guys. Well, there you have it. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for actually watching this video. I'll definitely keep you updated. Bye.